Hello everybody, and welcome to the next episode of the daily recap with the Dadas trading system. I'm streaming live from the Dadas trading room Discord server, and link to the server is down below in the descriptions. And you are sincerely invited. I stream live every day on my Dadas trading room Discord server, and you can watch me and watch my trades. The trades that I'm showing to right now, you could see everything live as I'm trading. So today is Monday, October 19th, and we can see that in the beginning, the market, the DAX 30 market that I'm trading every day, first it opened and respected the Dada's daily pivot and also weekly pivot, because both of those pivots are at the same moment today and at the same level. And the price started going up, respected the daily pivot as support, and then on the London session made something like this is called an upthrust. Some people say upthrust, some people say false breakout, whatever. It's a pretty dynamic candle, like we see here, that's going in the bullish direction, and it creates a specific high, in this case the daily high, and then the price slowly started dropping down, right? We can see that for a moment the price, of course, reacted on the pivot point, and then broke the pivot point, and then the pivot point became the resistance. And of course, at this around this level right here, we didn't know whether the market would be going lower or not. I mean, we had this monthly pivot right here that was somehow showing a potential, right, for the price to go down here. And nevertheless, the price, after some stalling right here, because basically this is where the ATR got really low, right, and then all of a sudden the price broke down and made this movement, right? So what did I trade today? Well, I made 4 trades, and all of them were successful. Now the first one was pretty atypical, because like you see, it's 100 lots. That was a little bit on a mistake on my side, because on this one-click trader right there, I had 100 lots right there, and I didn't look. And I took that trade, but I mean, I was pretty certain, so I thought to myself, okay, this is an opportunity to make a bit of money. And of course, I was closing this trade at a little bit more pips, but unfortunately, that's all I was able to get, 1.65, which is still relatively good. Anyways, I repeated the short right here with one lot, the way I usually trade. We can see that the price initially moved in the other direction, but then started going down. When the price was at about 13 pips, I decided to close it. I got 12.8 pips. Then, of course, there was, as usual, thinking, what's happening now? So we can clearly see that the price reacted. Somewhere at this level. So basically, this is where there was some potential support from Friday, and that's exactly where the price reacted, right? Exactly. And well, I didn't measure that, but right now, I mean, I didn't measure that before, but we can see that this is almost an ideal. I mean, like, well, everything is working right here the way it was supposed to, right? Anyways, I got in another short right there, because of the price action, because the market reacted over there and it started going down. However, there was even like about 13 pips right here, but the price moved back up, right? The price moved back up, and it kind of stalled, and it wasn't really certain what's going on, so I got out of it. I was planning to get out at 5 pips, and I actually clicked close at about 5 pips, but unfortunately, the price was moving too quickly. So I mean, jumping up and down, and that's why I got only 4 pips. Then when the price suddenly plunged, and all of a sudden right here the ATRs got much bigger, right? Because the ATRs the ATRs at this point right there, the ATR was like almost 40 pips, yeah, 36, yeah, right here, exactly right here. The ATR was 36.37 pips, so that's a pretty good ATR. So I jumped in at 10 lots with the with the mindset that I would take just a few pips. And that's exactly what I did. And again, I was aiming at a little bit more pips right here, but the price was jumping. And that's what I got. Okay, so that's it. I mean, could have gotten more, of course, couldn't have gotten more. Yeah, so anyways, so that's the trading for today. That's the way it went. The good thing is that I got 4 positive, so 4 successful trades. That's showing right here on my Kelly criterion optimal risk, because it has gone back up to 1.42%, when on Friday it dropped to 1.37%. So yeah, basically it looks like I'm oscillating between 1.37 and 1.42%. Of course, this is I'm using the so-called half Kelly, so not full Kelly. Full Kelly would have been 2.84, right? So, yeah. Anyway, so that's working. As long as this Kelly criterion optimal risk is not dropping and it's not going towards zero, then I know that what I'm doing is correct. Yeah, perhaps I could be doing better. Yeah, I mean, I certainly could be doing better. I certainly could be doing better trades, like for example, clicking right here and just taking one trade. Yeah, but this type of trading, I don't know, it's a bit risky for me. I would have to set the stop loss much higher, and I would have to uh, well, be very patient, which I am not. But maybe somebody could be patient, and maybe somebody could use my tools the way they are supposed to be used. Okay, anyways, that's it for this daily recap. Now, I have reorganized the schedule a little bit. So, in other words, the current schedule is that I'm making the daily recaps every work day from Monday to Thursday included. On Fridays, I won't be doing the daily recap. However, I will be doing the weekly overview on Saturday. Now, on Sundays, I will be doing the Sunday with Data's trading system. I'll be doing that in English, and every other Sunday I'll be doing that in Polish. However, all these videos, the Sunday videos, which are usually much longer, at minimum 2 hours, 2 to sometimes even over 4 hours. And those videos are special videos that explain the Dada's trading system. So I've decided to move those videos to the VIP section, so they are not public anymore. If somebody was watching those videos, you'll not be able to watch those videos anymore. Well, unless you have a link to them, of course. So, anyways, the future, all the future Sunday with Dada's trading system videos will not be published in the public domain. They will be available to my VIPs. So that means they will be published in my VIP section on the Dada's Trading Room Discord server. So, if you would like to become a VIP and have access to those videos and also access to a lot of other benefits, you need to become my patron either on Patreon or directly through PayPal. You can, of course, join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server and find out everything about it on that server. So, yeah. So please join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server and find out about those benefits. Thank you very much for today. Please wear your masks, wash your hands, and be careful and watch yourself. Keep healthy, and see you next time. Bye.